Medium Samu Akwaba, Badwam TV, Badwam Jumadi, Eso, Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwa say, and in Cranshan Sama, or the Abraya, dear do Sony, a Badwam Cassie and Samno, near Toja Mubia, Ubertini, Abay, Aisika Botte, $2 million at Honomo, Yan Famwa, Yanuanmo will be my soul, how a war more a commune, bar near the Abwawon, and only Sembina no pay me de bro, Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, or share live or Facebook /Adom TV. And now Gov't TV 119, DSTV 280, ko YouTuber, search Adom TV tube, kwadomonline.com, and some way ni bebre so ewo. Medi de fear, amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni de mientie said and 70 chemu ankasa etie. Ghana ban ena enei Ghana this year be a wo bi man so one mapomodin won si kasam ene hu nsamunti no. Ye twa sika bia to $2 million se ekoba se bia yenu ya bia wo bi man so ne ho kire no ha obinom ne ade a ye resa sika no atumi aboa wo mo sa fanda American Parliament mpo wono mo so age ede atumu a wo hwe 71 Ghana's High Commission ne wo ewiase nyina no sanfaso wo mbenya bie Adom TV kase etwaso
allocated a seed capital of $2 million for the fund. And what the consular fund is going to do is that it's going to take care of Ghanaians abroad who may need some emergency consular support. Ghanaians in distress. Probably there has been a disaster. There has been an emergency. Probably a fire outbreak in your house, or your business has just gone bad, you filed for bankruptcy, or there's some medical emergency and you need the embassy to assist you. Hitherto, there was no special fund, no dedicated account that we can rely on to help our fellow Ghanaians who run into distress. For example, what is going on now in a particular country that we all know, where foreigners are just rounded up and are deported. Sometimes they are not even given the opportunity to go back home and pick up their valuables. They are immediately sent to a holding place, and then the embassy is called that prepare a travel certificate. We are going to deport your national. He or she has confirmed that he or she is a Ghanaian.
Yeah, one more Abuja and so na ne one how ne atete one more FM the teacher say one more ma ebenya suku no eyasem wanya krampo awie na bo a wo mu tua no wo mu tua foreign na ha dwene wo mu do akosama to Adom kase enim
Ghana for bebru empim wo hanum ya wonum ete Nigeria man mu a wonum adwuma a woye no Ghana nya so emfaso bebru US dollars no 4.6 billion ena se wo pese wo ma eba Ghana hanomo ebenya adesunya ekwa animu a wo fa ho kire mu pa wo mu bia wani amane boni etwetwe nkomo no akire mu se
go school or Ghana me papa tua like a foreign student as me a Ghana ni fool me ma me papa nyina o me a Ghana for and so if say me nyini wa hantini or the me go school or Ghana no as say na wo tua said me a foreign student. I thought say no dey anya correct entino and na me boss kire minister say omo hwem no omo nya ni ye se ba because me ti ha me ka kire no say remittances are the Ghana no Ghanaians living in Nigeria your remittances $4.6 billion annually if afibia minim se me akasa ade na otwi $4.6 billion na ye banso so a we are treated as say nye Ghana for nti menene kan wa share my hope say he will address it.
Yes, so eto be simedua san ewo krobia ewo Solar District wo Savannah mantam ne mu na ewi akire no asan ne ma ebinom dia wo mbeda eden Adom kase eto so
Lewa Dari ene amane boni enkomotwetwe mu no wodi tu dwese na fi hofo nyina ada ewo bra se su kese no ehya sese eto na wonom ete se obi a woni wonom ebofi pam etiantemu na wonom pie bai na obehunu se maame ba ko a wabo aberewa kora ne dan no adwiri agu na asem da ewu mu ene se ne ho ba bi anka ne mum na japade ene sesei
I'm actually a law with ya. Instrument baby, I mean, get gaji Ghana, into a Ghana, you lot of Jat, and get gaji, bindi button in your dear, young pan cotton. Into under a bimba something. I will let a lare to go to one chance of power money. You, one with night, your point is one. Okay, okay.
Manta Moswa for Charity Gardener, the nay what day to Jachum Sabino Yan share pie bet me a boa, now Pomodin for war no more a Huberto war, now fair beer 1 year Juma Sapum Diatsna Yanon so, be abeco ye amao.
Politicians, ye challenges as well more film, and we see a day you put structures in place. I had a best supported. Workers are accepted to go to the rural areas. No, the best answer 5% of my salary. Now the account. Also, we have the Mahama Cares, which is intended to foot the entire bills for persons with chronic disease. We also have in our plans to establish state-of-art regional hospitals for the new regions, which Ahafo region is part of it. We also have in plans to build medical university in Bron and Ahafo region.
Most Reverend Peter Paul Elysium, a Catholic Bishop Ewodamongo, or the Ato, Apomodinga Jumayafu, Nina Enimu say.
How often at the bedside of the sick do we learn to hope? How often by our closeness to those who suffer do we learn to have faith? How often when we care for those in need do we discover love? We realize that we are angels of hope and messengers of God for one another, all of us together, whether patients, physicians, nurses, family members, friends, priests, men and women religious, no matter where we are, whether in the family or in clinics, nursing homes, hospitals, or medical centers.
Urabia when you fear dunum ensia a yen and the Osrobo Jama and a ya pauno say Ohene war Ningo traditional area Munsam Adom Cassie etwaso.
Esa necessity him for Semunta Wantawa. Efie bebreni na ekoso ewo Ningo traditional area watumi asiesie ni nyina nti na wode nene osrangbo jangba ya wanya mfie edunum nsia esi hene se Ningo hene woda manfo nyina ase no na wode tudwa se woba be ye adwumaden se de be ya Ningo ebesan agina ne nan so bio the sense wode atomanfo nyina nim se wonpre sa asumdwe ne nkabo mu ebeba wonum kuro mu science eno ne betumi aboa ama wonum kuro no atumpon
pechowi yankebam ngemache munyumio enyapo muneno lo inye gbaka no fe no ku ne pie hine wa isandio yanke bamio muneno wakla wana wa heka nyimi mejiwo nyimi mene wa mapi kata ni pe be bange nugo hu ejaga nugo hisike na wa dibli ne muneno wa dibli onke bakandinya no yam jinene wage gba ke banugo ni funga nugo ne pwe ne e maye kan wa magbla ke ba si maunge wa manyi magbla no fe no ke ba ne nugo ma ba pe nugo ne great ne ngo ne bi onge e manye ne makpale ne abada sien kom
Ekrobi ewo afajato south mensimu wo from Montemo ene won mo sraban mpanifo wo mo hia nsuo ye papa no won manom ni nyina agina se ne wo nsuo bi a wonom no enkoyie nti nsuo mo nyarwa ahodo bi te se ne tissue typhoid ya de ha won adwen pa nti wo mo sre se ye meboa won no nya nsupa enom.
Here is very bad. Sometimes the farmers spray the cocoa and it enter the water, so it makes the water to stay sometimes, and it has a bad smell sometimes. So it's not good for our drinking. And the boreholes in the towns are not good, so we need some, please.
When you fed the water and pour put it down. The following day, the water becomes like there is powder in it. So we find difficult. There is no water at our area, down there. So we have to go to the top. And people, we are suffering here. So we beg your pardon, consider us.
Joseph Dakpo, a assemblyman. One also near Maniboni and Komotutri Mono, what should I consider be a man for Femu and Sana when you supanum ewokrum hono mon sensi, or the other said to a buying in a Jumaquia who went Shabaya said na fee, man for when some will be in our enemy say, or my boy one million supanum, or krum honomo.
We have about 4 boreholes, but then all of them are broke down. So we depend on a stream which is also drying out, and that stream is not even healthy for drinking because when they spray cocoa sprayers and other chemicals, agrochemicals into the water, it's a health hazard. So I'm appealing to the government they should tackle this issue for me urgently. It's an urgent thing, particularly as at the time that we are having a cholera outbreak in the country. So I'm pleading on the government to pay attention to this community.
Bono Manta Moswafo ye Joseph Adai Akoboa na ene wode kokobo pa na ema assembly for no se wo munyi won hu free keta se hye no proyemu na momo mo hwese amansin akrache mpanifo aya pa wo no wono mbeye adwumaden na boama won kro empuntu akoso ene me kasa idoma west brekum west mansin akrache mpanifo aya pa wo mo no yaje won matum odode sansemi etuja.
Joseph Adai Akoboa eye Bono Manta Muswafo, what the Ato Assembly Jumayafua, one of our Manta Muhonumina and say, one of Jumayamun, one you get as a share in a project and soon change sign say, Sanu Yenu is see in Pumtu and Huquai.
Yen ya didn't have DC Assembly members. Modimo Chita, a seer, a better chief. Na development na ebano, Munina Mobile na Apoye, na Genjene, and Abrekum West. Afan and Mapa, Efra. Kakra Meka Treminian show, and they say, only assembly members, and never yet, Juma, or more presiding member, Obegase, only a Mobeka boom, na a buying shape, Bia, Debano, only a Mobeka boom, Namaye, Naman Puntu, Ababrekum West. Makan is a no, ya Papa John Dramani Mahama. Na banwe ya say am corruption e wo mu nti bibia ya corruption bia no ya de tu ya chi watu ya fo emfa ho so ye DC emfa ho so ye regional minister emfa ho so kita position bia so do ho ko hyehyɛ niema a ye corrupt activities ya ye benyu adi wo be ko fie.
So na introbo community a won Kwanta South mensimu we oti mantemo na womu di ya wo mu pa wo mu chemu sa ban yi won mama ni tichu si e pa mpanifo ene ne ma bi ebo ma won kroko animo no won to musini oni Adom kase atwaso
Maxo Joko ekasama manfo a wonum ati introbo ye kuro bi e won Kwanta South mensini e wo oti mantemo wa chiremu se emfa ho se kuro yi wonum edi ndisi amanyoku na chi a chere yie no enya de se ndisi amanyoku no aye bibi papa bia ma wonum kasa ye mu no wa chire mu se
ye hwe anim se entrubofuo nso ebeka enisi amambuo ho enti se ye bepaw anase ye bema enisi entrubofuo nso appointments ewo enisi amambuo no enti anim ya no entrubofuo ye pese ye hu yedi ani ehunu enye enonko a so wo hwa ya kwan efri brewani ase eko pusupu free pusupu ko bontibo eko salifu krom ena free pusupu eko ajem efri pusupu eko obanda akwan no ase enti ye pese ye hu se aban ye hu bribi enimani moyi a enye enonko a emre bi atwam nhihye ye de nhihye ato apon so se ye bema ye entrubo district bepimu ne ye hunu ano enti ye katre aban se enti wo district na ye kan ye no ye pese ye hu nhihye ye aban edi to kwan mu ema entrubo district na ye di ahihye so
Menyere no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de esi ye da se emre ni adaje a wode ma ye nti wadoroma twen ye mbiem ne emfa da obon krata no ene online de nto aso medin de afia amankwa tamaklo